Ah, there you are.
Hello.
Hey. How are you doing?
Well,
This is day 2, I think, yeah?
yeah, well, we got the mover here with all the big stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and now we have to put all the little stuff away.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm filming the little stuff.
Yeah, big mess.
Yeah. Still, eh? Still a big mess.
I'm in charge of the kitchen, and you in charge of what?
The rest.
The rest.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, starting to look nice now.
Put my books in the closet.
Yeah,
This is
in the cabinet.
Zorro.
Oh,
Zorro.
wow.
Yes, Zorro. The original. The original Zorro. I was here of 10, I think.
Oh, when you got that.
Yes.
Wow.
So,
It has a
nostalgie.
yes,
Nostalgia.
it has nostalgic value for you. Here, this is the living room situation. Better than it looked yesterday, right? Yeah, it looks more homey now. We got stuff.
Right.
Yep. So you're making the first meal. In the new digs, man.
Yes.
And you're trying to find everything? Because I put it in there, not you. What are you making, chef?
Well, I'm making a very fancy omelette.
Ah. It's
Specialized omelette.
world famous omelette?
The only thing I can do.
Oh. The only thing you can
But
make.
it is good. It is.
Yes. I like it. That's all that matters.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. This is the first meal.
Tight.
Yeah, the first meal cooked in the new kitchen.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we had pizza, that doesn't count.
No, this is the real stuff.
Yes. Okay, bon appetit. We made a lot of progress.
Yes. As you can see.
Yeah. A tiny little thing here that,
This is the desk.
yeah.
The bureau. But for now, is the dining table.
Yeah, we have this section over here. Still not, but way better. Yeah, so how you feel about the moving in process?
Yeah. I see a lot of progress. And also I see a lot of things that we have
To do
to
still.
do, right?
And buy. Yeah.
IKEA, very important.
Yes. Yeah, but
Yeah, actually, yeah. A big place, eh? Nice ceilings.
yeah. Yeah. You're 180 something, 183 or something? How tall are you?
Sorry?
How tall are you?
183.
Yeah. So then you can see how much more. This is very tall ceiling. Yes, this used to be a cafe.
Yeah.
And it was abandoned for a while. And now they made it into a living space.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Neighbors.
Yeah, yeah. The door is open, right?
Yes. So now we're going, because we worked hard.
Yeah. We
wanna
go for a walk.
Yeah, check out the little neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the outside. This is the future terrace here. You can have a nice view. Okay. Only 3 of them. Uh-huh. And they don't jump apparently. Oh, that's a nice house.
Yeah.
Modern Portugal, and then you have not so modern Portugal.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Right. After
What's today?
today's Thursday, yes. And we finished a lot.
Yeah, 4 days, 5
Yeah,
days.
yes, 4 days. But we needed 4 days to
Yeah. Move in
to
and,
move in, yeah.
and arrange everything. Well, and not everything, but make it more
homey.
livable.
Homey?
Homey. Yeah,
Homey.
Good one. Homey. You're my
Yes.
homie.
Yes. I heard the word homey in American series, and I just recall.
It was fresh in your mind.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to
Yeah, we
show
yeah,
some.
a little bit what we have done.
Yes.
But don't be too picky about it because things are not quite yet where they are supposed to be, and we don't have all the pieces yet. But we make do with what we have in a little house to a huge space.
Yeah, to a huge space,
So
to a high
it's like
space.
3 times as big as the house,
yeah.
almost at least 2 times as big. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn.
Okay. We are still in the middle of the picture. Okay. You see there a Van Gogh. It's not a real Van Gogh.
Hey.
Yes, you have
better,
made.
it's better.
Yes. Yeah, it's your artwork.
Yeah, and then here.
And here also. And there will be other artworks. Yes.
So we put a brown thing over there. And the couch is here.
And here is the
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
Yeah.
Yes, fireplace.
Yes.
And this is
The living room.
the living room. Yes.
Here. I'll turn it around.
Right.
It's to not being so goofy. Hang on a second. Okay, this is the living room. The couch still the same. That is still the same. There needs to be a TV there someday. This is still a mess. There's some little artwork. That's the entrance. There's a bike, still not working. Dining room. This is also too small. We'll get a different one someday. Kitchen. And then over here, our interesting bathroom, right?
Very original.
Yeah, a hallway slash bathroom. This is the sink, toilet. I can't speak. It's actually not fairly big in here. And then that's the shower.
Yep.
Because this used to be his and hers bathroom in the cafe, right?
Right.
We have this huge
Here
mirror
is-
wall. So when you come out of the shower, you're like, oh my God, that's how I look like.
Yeah.
This is my future art space slash laundry room slash storage. But this is the brightest room in the house. That's why I decided this is going to be the space. What?
The bedroom?
Oh, I thought there's somebody at the door. Yes, the whole other part of the house / apartment, or I don't know, cafe. Yeah. Last time, at the beginning of the video, there was a whole bunch of stuff in front here. It's all gone. The Leaning Tower of Pisa over there.
Oh yeah, the Leaning Tower.
You have to fix that.
Yeah.
And then there's actually, there's actually storage in this bedroom. See? There. We need some dressers and stuff, but see how big it is? Hello, over there.
You can add some fitness
equipment, and there are gonna be some vanity from my vanity. A vanity for the vanity.
Yeah.
Artwork. Maybe even a little chair, like a comfy chair in there. This is the hallway, and this is your domain with all the boxes.
Empty boxes.
Your office.
In wording, in progress. In progress.
Work in progress.
Yeah, that is a very important area there.
Why?
I call it the Azores. The Azores.
Oh, the Azores leftover.
Rucksack.
We need a closet for storage. I guess maybe in here. But in disguise, that's just a closet, so we don't know it's storage.
Yeah.
Some cheap, could even be a plastic thing, you know? Yeah.
Right.
But this is all, still has to, these things have to go on this shelf unit. Right. Yeah. And this has to get broken down. But yeah, we did pretty good, I think. Okay, so let's go back down here for a second. I like it because it's open when I cook. I can still yell at you.
But I like this open.
Yeah, the bar
space,
thing. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Like this, the house could fit into this space almost, where we were at before.
Give our opinion?
Well, yeah, we lived here now for 5 days.
Yeah.
And what do you think about the space?
The space is much bigger than our little vacation house.
This is like 3 times as big, almost.
So high ceilings also.
Yeah, very high.
It was a cafe, huh?
Yeah.
In the early days.
Yeah.
And you see that on the construction a little bit.
Yeah.
Which is very.
It's a square box, basically.
Yeah, but inside there are also levels. Huh?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, there's storage. There was storage in the back there where our bedroom is, so that's why there's steps, I guess.
Yeah.
Just at night you have to be used to it when you want to go to the washroom.
Yeah.
Boing.
Yeah. Okay, there's a fact.
And yeah.
But
we were talking about before that we're a little bit isolated here.
Yeah.
We're like.
We felt a little bit, lonely, even.
Because it's very quiet, which is good.
Yeah.
Barking dogs, not much happening. No.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, traffic is not that bad. I mean, the road is right here, but it's like 10 cars a day, all day. I'm talking about night too. So very quiet, and not many people walking around.
No.
I don't hear any children. Haven't seen any children yet.
No.
The
Older
children?
people, eh?
Yeah. Yes. And we went shopping today to a little town. About
5-6 kilometers from here.
About 8 minutes, 6 minutes because of hills.
It's very hilly, eh?
Yeah,
we live
very hilly.
In a hilly environment.
Yeah, so that's very different from tomorrow. Almost more flatter.
But now we have a car.
Yes.
And that's very necessary and very useful.
There's no bus here like in the Tomar area. The bus, there's nothing.
No.
So and the Caldas is 11, 12, 13 minutes away, depending where you go in town.
Yeah, that's the big town, eh? The town of about 50,000 inhabitants.
Yeah, so the idea was actually to live somewhere closer to a big town. We're actually further away now, but the town is 3 times or 2 times bigger than
Tomar.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the ocean is of course closer also.
Yeah. So
we have to get used to the more rural life now.
Yeah. It's really rural, really people do not speak English, for instance.
No, they have to
When
get used
you-
to that.
Yeah, that's new. In Tomar, everybody, a lot of people,
Or French, or they spoke
French
French.
or English. And here, of course, we have to adapt ourselves.
Yeah. We're the new ones, not
Right,
yeah.
right. But we were so used to speak English everywhere.
I mean, at the little Mercado we went today,
Yeah.
they spoke English, or broken English, but they understood, so that was okay for us.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I know a few words. I mean, I can get through it if I need to, but it's just more isolated here.
Yeah.
So
Right. And today we stopped in the middle of nowhere to pick some wood.
yeah, because we have a fireplace, as I showed before, and yeah, I'm gonna make a fire soon because it's gonna get a little chillier,
Yeah.
so especially at night. Not so bad during the day, but at nighttime.
Yeah, it's a little bit darker here inside.
Because we only have one window for this huge space.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's cozy. When you come in, it feels, yeah,
Cozier now.
Cozier.
Yes. Maybe need to put a couple more rugs to soften the hollow sound.
yeah. Because it's
super
generally
high ceilings,
super
yeah.
high ceilings, 3 meters high, something.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah,
Right.
make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Oh, by the way, there's the outside we haven't showed because it has to be painted. It's still grayish, whatever, gross. There's a terrace, a big terrace. The whole house is one terrace. It's not finished yet. The access is, we can't get up there yet. But when that's done, we'll show that.
Yeah, that's also an added value. That
Yeah.
huge
Well, that's what
terrace,
the
yes.
idea why we want to move here, because we didn't have outdoor space, but we have terrace.
Yeah, but we show that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Make sure you
Bye-bye.
subscribe, like, share, and comment.
there, and
ask
there, and
ask questions about our place. And
Yeah.
maybe something you need to know. Yeah, we haven't talked about yet. Right? Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Ciao.
Ciao.